Hey guys, I'm Roger Wakefield, Elite AP, the expert plumber. And as you can see today, we're talking plungers, and we're talking about them right now. So guys, as you can see, we got a couple of different plungers here. The good thing is, there's for two different reasons. This one is actually a sink plunger. They call it sink and drain. It's got a very shallow cup on it, and it's got a flat surface. Now this will work on some toilets. Normally this works on the older toilets that have the smaller outlet down at the bottom, because whenever you put this on a drain, whether it's a sink drain, whether it's a drinking fountain, whether it's anything at all like that, you have to make sure that this seals off all the way around. Now some of the old toilets that have the smaller outlet on the bottom, you can actually put this in position to make sure that it seals. And then the action, all you're trying to do is force a little bit of air through it. This is not gonna unclog anything major like roots or anything like that, but this will unclog maybe a little bit of food that got caught up in the wrong place or something like that. This is great to have around the house. This is great to have one in your kitchen. It's also great maybe in the bathrooms to have one in your lavatory whenever your sink starts draining slow or something like that. These are good plungers for certain things. Guys, these are not the best ones for toilets. For toilets, you want the force cup plunger. And if you see the difference in them, this cup is so much bigger and has more air. This is gonna push more force through it so that when you've got paper and poop and solids and stuff like that down in there, you've got a better chance of getting this down. Whenever you put this in, you wanna make sure that this goes down into the exit on the toilet, down into the outlet down at the bottom. But one thing you wanna look at, you wanna make sure that this thing seals around just like the other one. A lot of these new toilets have a funny shape on them and they don't seal off right. Check out the other video that we did on how to use a plunger, because you can take a rag and force a wet rag down in here, which is gonna be wet because your bowl's gonna be full anyway, but you can force that rag in there to help you get a seal off that might make it where your plunger can unstop your problem. Guys, this saves you money. Learning how to use a plunger the right way can literally help you unstop a toilet and help you save a lot of money. Guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please click on the subscribe button. Tell 5,000 of your closest friends about it. And if you've got a comment about your plunger, how it's worked for you or what you've done with it, maybe we don't want to know what you've done with it. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know. My name's Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.